In this video, I'm going to show you how to find or get promo codes for Carnival Excursions. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device, go to Google, and then I'm going to type in promo code for Carnival Excursions. And now you've got a whole list of results here. So you've got Worth a Penny, you've got Reddit is a good spot to get promo codes, RealTimeMeNot, etc. But the one we want to go to is here, carnival.worthapenny.com. So 50% off carnival.com excursions, top promo codes and deals. So this is going to be Carnival Excursions only. So as you can see here, we've got all offers. And you can see these codes are verified as well. 50 people used, 9 people used. So you can click on any one of these codes here. So for this one, I'm going to check out enjoy up to 50% off Carnival Excursions and Cruises. I think I clicked the wrong one, fat thumb, so I'm going to go back. So I'm going to click on the right one, 50% off. And now click on where it says enjoy up to 50% off. So click to copy code. Click on copy here. So this is going to make you get 50% off Carnival Excursions and Cruises, all sailing. So what you want to do is paste this code at the checkout section when you're checkout section of Carnival, and when you're booking excursions, to activate your 50% off.